All right, so it is Wednesday. I think it's the 19th, October 19th, and I need to find a Starbucks plastic cup, the $3 ones. So hopefully they have it here at the Starbucks, and then probably just see what they have here at this Target. I don't find this one, maybe I'll go to the other store, other Target, or just other Starbucks, really. Okay, so Starbucks didn't have my the plastic cup, so I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. I might go to Albertsons or something, but they still have this purse here, and I really like it. Am I crazy for liking this? And then in the inside, cracked it open, and it has a bigger strap. It was pretty much the same, except I finally found these earrings. I've had these before, but they already tarnished on me. I've had them for maybe over a year now, or almost a year. So it doesn't tarnish for a long time. So yeah.
Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
Okay, so I think the last video I left off with was me at Target showing off the purse. So yeah, I actually ended up getting the purse, as you can see right here. I feel like I'm so far away from you guys. It's just where I have my camera set up. It's, yeah. I'm just making do with what I got right now. So it's like stuff is holding my phone because I'm recording from my iPhone. But I got this purse. You guys seen this in like, I think 2 videos ago. And I went back to Target and they still had it. So maybe that was a sign. I don't know, but I got it. It does come with a strap, which I still need to cut this part off. And you can adjust it, so I really like that it has adjustable, so I can wear it up higher, which is what I plan on doing. Instead of like wearing it like super low down here, I can just play around with it, but I kind of want it up just a little bit higher and stuff. And I love the gold detailing on this purse, so you can hold it by the little, what do you call this, like a satchel, I think. Or you can hold it like that. Or you can drop, you know, leave the accessory on top. So I actually wasn't gonna get the purse because usually at Target you can scan on your phone on the app and like save stuff for later. You can save stuff for later for like your list and stuff, or just add it to your cart and then just buy it whenever. But I kept scanning it, and I don't know if you guys will have the same problem as well, but I kept scanning it and it said it wasn't, nothing was in the system for it. So I was like, what the heck? So, and then as you've seen, it does retail for $35. So, but yeah, it's just so fuzzy, and I don't know. I guess this is the stuff that's in style right now. And, y'all seen my chair. My chair is pretty much the same, almost the same material. And I feel like this is just a great little staple piece for fall and winter and stuff. And I really need to make sure I don't get it dirty. But yeah, so it just lifts open like that, and you just pop it open, and I still have like the paper and stuff in there. So let's take all that stuff out. Yeah, so this is the inside. Has 2 little pockets right here, a zipper and stuff. And I've been carrying my Michael Kors purse with me since my baby was born and stuff. That's pretty much like the diaper bag. But I don't know, I think I'm ready for a change, and seeing this, it really caught my eye, and not many purses catches my eye. So I'm really excited to have this in my collection. I honestly think I only have like maybe 4 purses, I think. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. No, I have 5. This is my 5th purse. The other ones I got rid of and stuff because they were like super old, and I like had them probably from like high school and stuff. But anyways, this is the new addition. So if you guys see that at Target, I definitely recommend to pick it up. It's definitely a cute little staple piece that you'll have like in your collection if you like purses and stuff. And I am a gold accessory girl. Like, I love gold. I don't really wear silvers that often. So yeah, I'm just glad that has gold on it. I know it's looking crazy probably back here with all this pampas, like, but I plan on moving this big one somewhere else, but it's just gonna stay there for right now. And then in the video you guys seen me, I think I showed you the hat. I bought my son a hat from Target as well because it's getting cold here. So I got him a hat and it came with gloves, so that was cute. And then I got him a costume. I went to Spirit Halloween, and I found him a dinosaur costume. I'll go ahead and put a video of him wearing the costume because I had asked them, I was like, hey, do you guys do returns? Because I don't know if my son's gonna fit this outfit and stuff, because I didn't want to get like stuck with it, you know. So he's like, yeah, we do returns, but you have to return it by the 22nd. It's like the last day, so 22nd is what, a few days from now. So I was like, okay. So I bought the outfit and I was like, you know what, we're gonna try this in the car. So the video you're gonna see is him wearing this outfit in the trunk, so don't mind all the hair that's, you know, that's in the trunk because our dog was up there. But and then I wish I would have recorded this. If you guys are into like crafts and stuff, let me know, because I do cups and stuff. So let me reach. I actually just did this cup for someone, so my Instagram link is down below. I do a whole bunch of different cups and just tumblers and stuff, like these snow globe tumblers. I'm really into doing snow globe tumblers, and then these types of plastic cups as well. So this is definitely personalized to the person who wanted a Batman. So this is really cute. Came out really cute. But yeah, everything will be linked down below. I wish I could link the purse, but it's not letting me, like I said before. So if you see it at your Target, I definitely pick it up. And if you do, let me know if you got it and do you love it, because I think I'm gonna really love this purse as long as I don't get it like dirty. So wish me luck on that. And I think that's everything, you guys. This video is probably gonna be super short today. Let me know what videos you want to see. Do you want to see more makeup videos? I kind of want to do a brow video thing, so I'm kind of working my way up to buy the products that I need, because I've never tried them before. So let me know, or if you want to see more shopping haul videos that I've been doing lately, just write it down in the comment section and stuff, and I'll be so happy to make those videos for you guys. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Before you leave, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.